Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the audio and a hosting method. You already have the file. Now pick MP3 or WAV for broad compatibility and select Cloud Drive or an audio host. Once chosen, sign in and create a new folder or album to keep the file organized. Make sure the file size meets the host limits. If not, compress or trim. Begin uploading immediately so the next steps, permissions and link creation, can follow without delay. You will upload the audio to your chosen host and configure access. During upload, watch for errors and wait until the transfer completes. Once done, open the file's share settings and change access to anyone with the link or public, based on your audience. Then copy the generated URL. If you need a cleaner presentation, paste it into a shortener or your CMS link tool. Make sure to test the URL in a private tab. To confirm it plays, you finish by testing and distributing the link. Open it on desktop and mobile in at least 2 browsers to confirm playback and buffering behavior. Once satisfied, embed the player into pages or paste the direct URL into emails, chat, or social posts. Add a timestamp or description when needed. If something fails, first verify sharing permissions and file compatibility, then re-upload or try a different host. That single troubleshooting step fixes most link problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.